Okay, from one of your Google Classrooms, you're going to click on a classwork at the top and then create question. This is your attendance question. The way that I set it up is I type in the day that it's for, and that part is just for the students when they look at it, and I say, are you here today? I change the question type to multiple choice. And down here where it says option 1, I change that to I'm here. And they do not actually get options. That's the only thing that I put in. It'll let you submit it with just one choice because this should be simple. It's attendance. It's simple in the classroom. It should be simple online as well. In my instructions, I just say, I just do something like choose. I'm not typing very well right now. I'm here and click turn in. Then what I do is I select all of my classes. I always make it ungraded. The due date, you would set that to whatever it needs to be. Topic, I have these set up, so I would choose the attendance topic. That's obviously going to be different for you. And I uncheck this, and then I click ask. And my attendance question has been asked to the classes. So what it looks like to the student. So this view that you're seeing right now, this is the student view. I'm actually logged in as one of my actual students. So you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to click on that class where I just created that question. So again, this is the student view that we're looking at. And you can see my topics are set up. So this is the question that I just created. So what the student will do is click that and see there's the everything, my instructions that I just wrote. All they have to do is click I'm here and they click turn in. And they're done with attendance for the day, and then they can go find their assignment. But that's all the student has to do for attendance. Now, let me jump back to the teacher view. So now I'm back on the teacher view. Again, this is the teacher view. And there's multiple ways I can look at who has done the attendance. So here's that question. If I click this, over here, it'll tell me who has turned it in, who has checked in for the day, and who has not. The other way you can look at it, let me get back to where I was. You can go to the grades up at the top. This is actually how I do it when I use Skyward. And here, this is that Tuesday, are you here question. If you stop your mouse over it, it'll show you the full question. And you can look here, they're in alphabetical order, and I can see these people have turned it in. This person has not yet. If I look back at previous days, like the Monday one, you can see some are missing. Or I'm trying to find one that says, this one's back from August 25th. If it says done late, that would be an absent kid because that means they did it after midnight. So you can use this view. This is the view I find most useful as the teacher for doing the attendance in Skyward. Okay, and here I'm back. This is the teacher view again. So I'm viewing this as the teacher. So what you can do after you've created that first attendance question one time, I'm going to show you how it's a little bit faster now in future days. So again, this is the teacher view creating the attendance question. I go back to the classwork tab. And this time, since I've already created that question before, I'm going to use the choice that says create reuse post and then choose that. And I'm going to choose that previous attendance question that I had. So this was my attendance question that I'm clicking on here. And I'm going to go to reuse. And it's going to fill in all of that information for me. Everything that I used on that previous question is here. So all I have to do now is select all of my classes I want to post it to again for the next day, choose my new due date, and all the other settings are there already. So all I have to do is click ask. And now I have reused that same attendance question and it posts it as a separate item in Google Classroom.